Top 4 best seeds to flush out. Toxins and repair. Kidneys fast. What if I told you that some of the smallest foods in your kitchen could help flush toxins from your body and support your kidneys to repair faster? I'm not talking about expensive supplements or complicated medical treatments. I'm talking about seeds. Yes, those tiny little powerhouses that most people overlook. Your kidneys work every single day to filter waste, balance your fluids, and keep your blood clean. But when they're overworked or damaged, toxins can build up in your body, and that's when real problems start. The good news? Nature has given us some incredible tools to support kidney health, and today we're diving deep into the 4 best seeds that can actually make a difference. But here's the catch. Not all seeds are created equal, and using them the wrong way could actually do more harm than good, especially if you already have kidney issues. So stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to use these seeds safely and effectively. Let's get started. Before we jump into the seeds, let's talk about why this matters. Your kidneys are 2 fist-sized organs sitting just below your rib cage, and they're absolute workhorses. Every day, they filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood. That's roughly 180 liters. They remove waste, excess water, and toxins, turning them into urine. But here's what most people don't realize. Your kidneys can lose up to 90% of their function before you even notice symptoms. By the time you feel something's wrong, the damage might already be significant. That's why prevention and support are so important. Now, kidney disease is on the rise worldwide. Diabetes, high blood pressure, and poor diet are major contributors. And once kidney function starts declining, it's hard to reverse. That's where these seeds come in. They're packed with nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that can help your kidneys do their job better, reduce inflammation, and even protect kidney cells from damage. But let me be clear, these seeds are not a cure. They're not magic. They're supportive foods that, when used correctly, can be part of a kidney-friendly lifestyle. If you have advanced kidney disease, you need to work with your doctor before adding anything new to your diet. With that said, let's dive into the first seed. Number 1, flaxseeds. Flaxseeds have been around for thousands of years, and they're one of the most nutritious seeds on the planet. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. ALA is known for reducing inflammation. Throughout the body, including in the kidneys, inflammation is one of the main drivers of kidney damage. When your kidneys are inflamed, they can't filter properly. That leads to toxin buildup inside your body. The omega-3s in flax seeds help calm that inflammation. Flax seeds are incredibly high in fiber. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds gives you about 3 grams of fiber. Fiber is crucial for gut health. And here's the connection. When your gut works well, your kidneys don't have to work as hard. A healthy gut means fewer toxins enter your bloodstream. This reduces the burden on your kidneys. They are also rich in compounds called lignans. These are plant-based antioxidants that protect your body. Lignans help lower cholesterol and support healthy blood pressure. Both are important for kidney health because high levels cause damage over time. Now here's the most important part. You must grind your flax seeds before eating them. This step is essential. If you eat them whole, they'll pass through undigested. You won't absorb any of the nutrients. Grind them fresh or buy them pre-ground. Store them in the fridge to prevent rancidity. Start with 1 tablespoon per day. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, or mix it into yogurt. Simple and effective. Number 2, chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. Like flax seeds, they're loaded with omega-3s and fiber. Just 2 tablespoons contain about 10 grams of fiber. That's nearly 40% of your daily recommended intake. The fiber in chia seeds helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is huge for people with diabetes or prediabetes. High blood sugar is one of the leading causes of kidney damage worldwide. When blood sugar stays high, it damages small blood vessels in your kidneys over time. Chia seeds also absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. When soaked, they form a gel-like texture. This gel slows digestion. It stabilizes blood sugar and keeps you feeling full for longer. It also supports regular bowel movements. This is another way your body eliminates toxins. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidant polyphenols. These compounds protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is damage caused by free radicals. Your kidneys are especially vulnerable because they process so much blood. The antioxidants in chia seeds help shield kidney cells from this damage and support overall function. Now, a word of caution, because chia seeds absorb so much water. Hydration is important. If eaten dry, without enough liquid, they can cause discomfort or even blockages. Always soak them for at least 10 to 15 minutes before eating. This makes them safe and digestible. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Number 3, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. especially in Ayurvedic and Chinese practices. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, B vitamins, and minerals like copper, manganese, and calcium. One of the standout compounds in sesame seeds is sesamin. This is a lignin similar to what we find in flax seeds, and it has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that sesamin can help protect the liver and kidneys from oxidative damage, which is critical for long-term organ health. Sesame seeds also contain another compound called sesamol, which has been found to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve kidney function. But here's where things get tricky. Sesame seeds are extremely high in oxalates. Oxalates are natural compounds found in many plant foods, and in high amounts, they can contribute to kidney stone formation, especially calcium oxalate stones, which are the most common type. If you're prone to kidney stones or already have kidney disease, you need to be very careful with sesame seeds. They're also high in phosphorus and potassium. For people with advanced kidney disease, too much phosphorus can weaken bones, and too much potassium can cause dangerous heart rhythm problems. So if you have compromised kidney function, talk to your doctor before adding sesame seeds to your diet. Number 4, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with magnesium, zinc, healthy fats, and antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. All of these play important roles in kidney health. Let's start with magnesium. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including regulating blood pressure and blood sugar. Both of these are crucial for protecting your kidneys. Studies have shown that people with higher magnesium intake have a lower risk of developing chronic kidney disease. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds, especially vitamin E and carotenoids, protect the delicate filtering structures in your kidneys from oxidative damage. Think of them as a shield that keeps your kidney cells healthy and functioning properly. But just like sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds are high in phosphorus and potassium. If you have advanced kidney disease, you need to monitor your intake carefully. For most people, though, a quarter cup per day is a healthy amount. Choose raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds and avoid the heavily salted versions. Too much sodium can raise your blood pressure and put extra strain on your kidneys. You can eat them as a snack, toss them into salads, blend them into pesto, or sprinkle them on soups for added crunch and nutrition. Now that we've covered the 4 best seeds, let's talk about the common mistakes people make when trying to support their kidney health with seeds. Mistake number 1, eating them in excessive amounts. Eating seeds in excessive amounts is a common mistake. More is not always better. Seeds are extremely nutrient dense, but they are also calorie dense. Overeating them can lead to weight gain, and excess body weight increases the risk of kidney disease. Always stick to recommended portions and practice moderation. Mistake number 2, not preparing them correctly. Preparation matters more than most people realize. If you eat whole flax seeds without grinding them, your body cannot absorb their nutrients properly. Chia seeds, if eaten dry and unsoaked, can cause digestive discomfort. Proper preparation ensures maximum benefit and prevents unnecessary digestive issues. Mistake 3, ignoring your individual kidney condition. Not all seeds are suitable for everyone. If you have kidney disease, kidney stones, or are on dialysis, certain seeds may not be appropriate for you due to potassium or phosphorus content. Always consult a healthcare provider or a qualified dietitian before adding seeds to your diet. Never self-diagnose or self-treat. Mistake number 4, expecting seeds to be a cure-all. Seeds are powerful, but they are not magic. They are just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Proper hydration, balanced nutrition, blood pressure control, blood sugar management, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking are all equally important. Kidney health requires a complete lifestyle approach. Flax seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds can support kidney health when used correctly. They provide fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals that help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells. However, they are not miracle cures. They work best as part of a balanced lifestyle that includes hydration, proper diet, exercise, and medical supervision when necessary. Your kidneys work silently every day to keep you alive and healthy. Support them wisely. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health information. Take care of your kidneys, and they will take care of you.